What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going all in and talking about taking clove water daily and its amazing benefits. But before we get started, I want to thank all of my subscribers for sharing the video, hitting that like button, and clicking that bell notification so that you can be notified every time I put out a video. Thank you so much. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. All right, so let's get this video started. Clove water is a simple and delicious drink that can be made with just a few ingredients, cloves and water. It's also packed with nutrients and antioxidants, making it a great way to boost your health, energy, immune system, and so much more. Cloves are native to the country Indonesia and its surrounding areas, and they are the dried flower bud of a tropical tree used as an aromatic spice, cooking and baking, and some people take clove supplements to improve their overall health. Clove water has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for oral health, digestion issues, cough suppressants, and so much more. So let's get on with some of the amazing benefits you receive once you begin to consume clove water daily. Health benefit number 1, improves digestion. Cloves are a good source of fiber which can help keep your digestion system healthy. They also contain eugenol, a compound that has been shown to have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. This can help to relieve digestion problems such as bloating, gas, and constipation. Eugenol is a compound that has been shown to have antispasmodic properties. This means that it can help to relax the muscles in the digestive tract, which can help to relieve pain and discomfort. Eugenol can also help to kill harmful bacteria in the gut, which can help to improve digestion and prevent infection. For example, one study found that cloves can help to reduce the symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. Another study found that clove extract can help to improve the symptoms of constipation. If you're struggling with digestion problems, drinking clove water can be a helpful way for you to get relief. Just add a few cloves to a cup of hot water and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink it warm or cold and enjoy. Health benefit number 2, boost the immune system. Cloves are a good source for antioxidants which can help to protect your body against damage from free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to the development of diseases such as cancer and heart disease. The antioxidants in cloves can help to neutralize free radicals and protect your cells from damage. They can also help to boost your immune system by stimulating the production of white blood cells. For example, one study found that clove extract can help increase the activity of natural killer cells, which are a type of white blood cells that help to fight infection. Another study found that clove extract can help to reduce the severity of colds and flus. So if you're looking for a natural way to boost your immune system, drinking clove water is a great option. Health benefit number 3, fights bacteria and viruses. The eugenol in clove has antibacterial and antiviral properties. This can help to protect you from infection. For example, one study found that clove extract was effective against bacteria that cause tooth decay. Eugenol can kill harmful bacteria and viruses by disrupting their cell membranes. It can also help to inhibit the growth of bacteria and viruses. For example, one study found that clove extract can help to prevent the spread of flu virus. Another study found that clove extract can help to treat gum disease. Health benefit number 4, lower blood sugar levels. Clove contains compounds that can help improve insulin sensitivity. Insulin is a hormone that helps to regulate your blood sugar levels. One study found that clove extract helped to improve insulin sensitivity in people with type 2 diabetes. This means that the body was able to use insulin more effectively, which helped to lower the blood sugar levels. Health benefit number 5, may help protect against cancer. Some studies have shown that the compounds in cloves may have cancer-fighting properties. For example, one study found that clove extract inhibits the growth of cancer cells in the breast. The eugenol in cloves has been shown to kill cancer cells in laboratory studies. It can also help to prevent cancer cells from multiplying. However, there's more research needed to confirm the cancer-fighting properties of cloves. Health benefit number 6, reduces pain. Cloves have been used for centuries to relieve pain. The eugenol in cloves has analgesic properties. This means that it can help to reduce pain. Eugenol can also help to block pain signals from reaching the brain. It can also help to reduce inflammation, which can contribute to pain. For example, one study shown that clove extract can help relieve the pain of toothaches. Another study found that clove extract can help relieve the pain of arthritis. So, if you're struggling with pain, drinking clove water can be a helpful way to get relief. Just add a few cloves to a cup of hot water and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Drink it warm and enjoy. Health benefit number 7, improves oral health. Cloves have been shown to be effective against plaque and gingivitis. It can also help to freshen your breath. Eugenol has antibacterial and antiseptic properties. This means that it can kill harmful bacteria in the mouth. It can also help to reduce inflammation and bleeding gums. For example, one study found that clove extract can help to prevent tooth decay. Another study found that clove extract can help to treat gingivitis. So if you're looking for a natural way to improve your overall health, drink clove water. It's a great option. Health benefit number 8, boost energy levels. Cloves contain compounds that can help to improve your energy levels. For example, one study found that clove extract increased the activity of the mitochondria, which are the cells that produce energy. The antioxidants in cloves can also help to improve energy levels by reducing oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can damage cells and lead to fatigue. If you're feeling tired and sluggish, go ahead and drink some clove water. It can be very helpful to boost your energy levels. Health benefit number 9, improves your skin health. The antioxidants in cloves can help to protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. They can also help to reduce inflammation and improve skin elasticity. Eugenol has been shown to help reduce wrinkles and age spots. It can also help to improve the skin's texture and radiance. So if you're looking for a natural way to improve your health, go ahead on and drink some clove water because it's a great option. Health benefit number 10, improve your sleep quality. The eugenol in cloves has sedative properties. This means that it can help to promote your sleep. Eugenol can help to relax the body and the mind, which can make it easier to fall asleep. It can also help to improve sleep quality by reducing nightmares and restless leg syndrome. So if you're having trouble sleeping, go ahead and drink some clove water. It will be a helpful way to get you a good night's rest. Just add some cloves to a cup of hot water, let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes, and drink it warm and enjoy. So there you have it, the 10 health benefits of drinking clove water. And as you can see, clove water is a very versatile drink that can be enjoyed by people of all ages. It's also a great way to get your daily dose of antioxidants and nutrients. If you're looking for a healthy and delicious way to boost your health, I encourage you to try drinking clove water daily. You won't be disappointed. So leave a comment below and let me know if you have questions about clove water or its health benefits I mentioned. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more about health content. Thanks for watching.